Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how you can play Fortnite on your Mac. As I'm recording this video, Fortnite is no longer officially available on Mac because Epic Games is currently in a dispute with Apple. So we need to find an alternative way to play Fortnite on your Mac. To get around this, we're going to use a cloud gaming service to stream Fortnite. The cloud gaming service we'll be using today is GeForce Now, because they offer a free tier, unlike other alternatives. I'll leave a link to their website in the description below. Once you're on the GeForce Now website, scroll down and click on Join Now. Then, find the membership tiers. As you can see, they offer a free tier with a 1-hour session length. However, you can simply restart that session to get another hour, and you can do this as many times as you like. So once you're ready, click on the Join button next to the free tier. Next, sign up for an NVIDIA GeForce account. Once you've signed up, go back to the home page we were at earlier. Now we need to download the platform. Click on the download option at the top. Once you're at the download page, scroll down and find the macOS platform and click the download button underneath it. Choose where you want to download the installer. In this case, I'm going to choose my Downloads folder. Now that we have GeForce Now downloaded, we just need to install it. Find the installer that you downloaded earlier and open it up. Simply drag and drop the GeForce Now logo into the Applications folder. After a few seconds, it will be installed. Once it has been installed, you can exit out of the installer. You can go ahead and delete it if you'd like, and don't forget to eject it from your macOS system. Now that we have GeForce Now downloaded, we can open up the application. Because it's a new application, you'll get this prompt, so click on Open. Once the application opens up, it will look like this. All we need to do is click on the green Get In button. This will open your web browser and prompt you to log into your GeForce account that you created earlier. Once you've logged into your GeForce Now account, you'll be taken to the dashboard, which looks like this. All we need to do now is connect our Epic Games account to our GeForce Now account so we can play Fortnite. To do this, click on the settings icon in the top left-hand corner, and then click into Settings. Once you're in the settings, you'll see all your connected accounts on the right-hand side. As you can see, I've already connected my Steam account so I can play my Steam games. However, we want to connect our Epic Games account. Click on the Connect button. This will automatically open your web browser to the Epic Games website where you can sign in to your Epic Games account. If you don't have one already, you can scroll down and click on Create Account. Once you've signed in, it will ask you for permission, so click on Allow. Once you've signed in, exit out of your web browser and go back to the GeForce Now application. As you can see, we are now fully signed into our Epic Games account. To play Fortnite on your Mac, go back to the home page by going to the hamburger menu. All you need to do now is click on the search bar at the top and type in Fortnite. Once you've searched for it, it should be the first result. Click into it and then click on Mark as Owned. It's going to give you this prompt, so click on Yes, Continue. Now we've marked Fortnite as owned, we can go ahead and play it by clicking on the play button. After a few seconds, it's going to analyze your network to see if it supports playing games over the internet. After a few seconds, once this has been successful, it's going to put you in a queue. And as you can see, we are finished queuing, and we are now loading into Fortnite. This took about 3 minutes, but waiting times can vary. As you can see, we are now playing Fortnite on the Mac, and we can start playing it just as we normally would. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more Rome tips. Thanks for watching.